Hi there, I'm Daniel Seberg, one of the co-founders at GoodTrust, and I have a question for you. Are you among the roughly 130 million Americans who hasn't created their will yet? Well, the reasons to create a will are probably more important than you might think. And the good news is, with GoodTrust, it doesn't need to be tedious or expensive. In fact, you can create your will online in less than 15 minutes for free. Let's go through the steps. First, you'll be asked to create a free GoodTrust account in which you'll just need your name and email. Then you'll move to the About Me and Family Info section. Once you put in your basic information like name, birth date, and address, you'll be asked about your family members. This is where you'll list your spouse, children, and pets if applicable. Don't forget those pets. Now the next step is really important. Here is where you'll list your executors, which are friends or family that will execute your last wishes stated in your will. Unlike other will creation services, you can also add a digital executor, which is a person you trust to manage your digital assets when you pass away. Moving on to the next steps, you'll have the chance to dictate what happens to your personal property and remaining estate. So if you have specific items that you'd like to leave to someone special, here is where you'll put it. Lastly, in order for any last will and testament to be legally valid, you'll need to have it signed by 2 witnesses. This is to ensure that you're of sound mind and body while making such significant decisions. At any point in the will creation process, you have the option of saving your spot and returning to finish it later. Once you've listed your witnesses, you're officially done with your will. That wasn't so bad, right? Remember, with GoodTrust, it's easier than ever to create your will and take care of what matters most in your life. If you're ready to start, just head to mygoodtrust.com/will to create your online will in less than 15 minutes for free, and check out our YouTube channel for more tips on estate planning and preparing your digital afterlife.